A special milestone celebration for my baby is a great success thanks to a lot of meticulous planning. Welcome to Kravings Food Adventures Behind the Scenes. You may remember my son from my early YouTube videos. While my older son was often behind the camera, this one was often in front of it. So what's on the menu? For apps, I'm going to be serving bitterballen, falafel with some toom, cowboy nachos, beet and garlic hummus, sushi bake, Korean fried chicken, and a cheese board. For mains, I'm going to be serving the infamous butter chicken, some murg methi, chicken 65 biryani, achari kebabs, dal bukhara, paneer tikka masala, fresh rotis, and some other things that are not on my channel. For dessert, I'm making mango kulfi, a pistachio and chocolate china grass, and I will serve my delicious and decadent chocolate birthday cake. The festivities begin with sending out an invite to the special people that have been a part of my son's life. I'm a planner and I'm usually surrounded with lists, both handwritten and digital. A week ago, I made this mango kulfi. This will keep for weeks in the freezer, so it's a great dessert to make ahead. 2 days before the event, I'm going to start baking the cake. And while it bakes and cools, I will start prepping all of the other ingredients. Prepping ahead makes for really easy work later. I like to plan my menu with some items that benefit from an early prep time. Butter chicken is one of them. This chicken will marinate for a day before I cook it, and it'll sit for another day in the fridge before I serve it to my guests. This combination of spices will make a great marinade for my achari chicken that will be marinated now and barbecued on the day of the party. I'm going to make this delicious pistachio and chocolate china grass, and this will chill in the fridge till the day of the party. It's the day before the party now, and I'm going to be bringing out the big guns to cook all of the food. The murg methi will be cooked, and once it's done, I will move on to prepping the chicken 65 for the biryani that will be finished off tomorrow. The cake has cooled overnight. I will slice these and I'm going to add buttercream and jam between layers. I baked some blue cake pops into the cake batter. Look how amazing they look. I will leave this in the fridge for a few hours so the buttercream can set. I'm going to marinate some paneer, and this will be grilled later for the paneer makhanwala for my vegetarian guests. The marinated chicken for the butter chicken is skewered and it's ready for the grill. Once semi-cooked on the barbecue, I will finish making the butter chicken and then store it overnight. I'm also going to set up my platters for the appetizers and the dinner table, and once everything is set ahead, I won't be fumbling around tomorrow. I also like to make name tags for my food. This helps me stay organized, but it also helps my guests know what they are serving themselves without having to ask me multiple questions multiple times. Speaking of the cake, I planned this chocolate extravaganza, and I'm really happy how it turned out. It's D-Day and we're up and ready for all of the last-minute tasks of the day. I start by frying the chicken for the Korean chicken and the bitterballen. Next, I'm going to prepare the achari chicken, and this is going to go on the grill. This will be grilled to perfection by my expert grill master. While that cooks, I will work on the sushi bake and slice the steak for the cowboy nachos. Time's running out now, so it's time to get that 65 chicken biryani into the oven. And once it's done, I'm going to transfer it into some foil trays. guests are about to arrive, and it's time to start to fill up the appetizer trays. The guests settle in and get comfortable. It's now time to start the festivities, a speech, the cutting of the cake, followed by pictures. And to bring back the old memories, I planned a little fun party game. After some dancing to work off those appetizers, it's time to say grace and start the dinner service. And end on a sweet note. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed my craziness. Make sure you're subbed to my channel and that you've rung the bell. Till I see you again, take care. Bye.